Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use codes in Archero 2 and redeem promo rewards. Before we start, make sure to check out the software link just under this video. Now, let's get into it. So, first things first, open Archero 2 and tap on your profile in the top left corner. From here, you'll see your user ID. Just tap the little copy button and you should get a message saying copy successful. Next, open up your browser and search for Archero 2 Redeem. The link you're looking for is h5.archero.hab.com. Go ahead and open that page. Once the page loads, paste your game ID into the box. Then enter the promo code you've got and type in the verification code shown on the right side of the screen. Finally, just hit redeem and your rewards will be sent directly into your account. Super simple, right? And that's all it takes to use codes in Archero 2. If this helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe and check out my next tutorial for more quick guides.